Hi, I'm Jordan and I'm here at the Sharma clinic. I'm going to be getting a FUE surgery for 2,000 grafts. Just the hairline here, it's receded in the corners, so I'm just looking to make that more dense and bring it down a little bit. For the back, we've shaved it completely down, so we'll have better access to the grafts. Yeah, I look like a video game character now. Just got my head shaved, so looking pretty good. And just getting ready for surgery, and this is where a rough draft of where my new hairline is going to be. So kind of filling in the corners and bringing it down a little bit, and yeah, just making it nice and dense.